I've just returned from JB's Automotive, JB's Power Center here in Edmonton, with a brand new Kenwood DNX9980HD GPS nav system. So I'm pretty excited. I want to get this all installed in my 2008 Toyota Matrix. I'm just going to do an unboxing video here, because that way if I have to take it back, I guess I know how everything goes back in the box, and it might be interesting for people who are interested in buying one of these. So that's what the box looks like. Not that exciting. It's a bit scratched up from handling. So let's open this sucker up, and let's see. So we've got the fancy remote control, a little plastic baggie, a little plastic frame that will go around the unit to hopefully make it look nice. What does that look like? So a nice kind of matte plastic look there. Okay. And we also have, of course, some styrofoam covering the unit. And there she is. A heavy piece of kit here. There's the unit itself. It's got some kind of a bracket around it. And there it is with a bunch of, it's got a plastic film covering the screen to protect it. And here are the connectors at the back. Got a little cooling fan I see, and there's the video and audio connectors for the iPod, and different connectors for the harnesses and such. And there are two USB connectors and an antenna connector. So, what else is in here? More styrofoam. Not that interesting. Another plate to cover a giant hole, I guess. I probably don't need this. And some extra cables and adapters for the harness. These must be auxiliary outs to go to an amp or something. Another harness cable here. And this will be what I have to wire to my special harness that I got for the Toyota. And GPS antenna. So I have to run this to my, in theory I put it on the roof or something. More harnesses, lots of good stuff to wire. Oh boy, for reals, this is a push to talk button for your voice activation. That seems a bit hokey, but I didn't know about that. Ferrite chokes. I can choke to my heart's content. Here we go. And a little microphone for the hands-free stuff. Lots of accessories to run around my car. Some books. See, there's some batteries in there for the remote. Some screws. Stuff to remove the original stereo. Some other good stuff. Not sure what that little hunk of plastic there is for. So, good stuff. So that's everything. So now I get to wire it all up and install it.